How to integrate Wix with ConvertKit. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard. So if you're not logged in yet, just log into your account and then go to your Wix website dashboard. From here, let's go to the Wix website editor. So just click edit site, and when you click on it, it will automatically open in a new tab. I already have the tab open right here, and then here is my Wix website editor. So I also have open the Kit website or the ConvertKit. So ConvertKit has now changed their name to Kit. So keep that in mind. So connect or log into your account, and then from here, choose the specific form or landing page that you want to use. So if you're not familiar with ConvertKit, you can create different types of design right here that you can add to different websites. So for example, you can create like email campaigns, you can create forms, you can create landing pages, and so on. So for example, I have a form right here that I want to use. So I'll go to landing pages and forms, and then I'll open my form right here that I already have created. So I have this one, the pine form. I can go to this page, and then I already have my Kit form right here. So from here, what we're going to do is that we're going to click embed, and then we're going to copy the HTML code for this form right here. So just click copy, and then we will now integrate this to our Wix website. So let's go to the Wix website editor. So I'll just add a blank section right here, click add elements, and then we can go right here to embed code and then click embed HTML. So from here, we now have the embed HTML element right here, and then we just need to paste the code right here. Then click update, and then that should now be added to our embedded HTML element right here. So we can just adjust the size right here, and then we now have our form that is created from Kit. So we can just adjust the size like that, and then like this. Now we have our Kit form right here. Then we can click preview, and then let's just wait for it to finish loading. And then we can go ahead and navigate the form right here in our Wix website. And then that is basically it. So that is how you can integrate your Wix website with ConvertKit. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.